What I've been doing, which is working very well, you feel the hit and you move the rod upstream like this. And that is your hook set. Now there's another hook set that they got, and if you watch my hands, it is this. I got my line here. You pull back and move up. Again, I'll show you. When the fish hits, you pull back and move up. That's called a line stripping set. Line strip set. Yes. Pull back and move your rod upstream. And that'll set the hook tight. If you lift straight up, you pull it out of its mouth. So you want the fish has grabbed your fly, turned and started moving downstream. That's why the sweeping action puts it back in its mouth. If you lift up, you're going to pull it out of its mouth. Very important, your hook set.
There's one.
There we go.
Fish on.
Good man, good man. And we've taken it in a pretty good spot here, haven't we, where we got some room to fight it.
Yeah. Yeah, we got lots of.
It looks like a pretty good fish.
Yeah, it is. It's got some weight to it.
Good man. How did it feel when they hit, Randy? What was
Very lazy. Hit it, come up and almost like it grabbed the tail of the fly, and then it was a slack. Like it come forward on it and then hit it hard. Probably swallowed it and turned. Just ambushed the bait.
Beautiful. Now this one hasn't come up yet, so that indicates to me that it's a big fish.
Yeah, usually indicates a good sized fish. The smaller ones tend to fight hard and run, but they come up on the surface.
Beautiful. And we have that nice, very nice fish. Here's the current.
Yeah.
Along with it. Beautiful. Oh, I like it. There it goes. Excellent.
There's a trough, drops off. It's kind of like a hump, just about the natural lay of that hill in front of us, that point. And then it'll deepen over there, deepen here, and then it fades out back into that shoreline. So.
Oh, this is a decent fish. Actually, now I'm having a little bit of trouble now seeing him, and he's going to run. So I'll get him on this side of the boat now.
Yeah, we're okay. I just want to kind of get out of this boily current before we try to land them, and I'm going to swing around and circle them just to get them above the boat again.
Okay.
The biggest thing is when they get below the boat, the fly will tear out.
Okay.
You see fish in here that hardware anglers catch, and they force them and rip their mouths. There, we're good now.
Now this guy's just coming up now. He's gone back down to the bottom again.
That is a beautiful fish.
Well, this is actually quite a nice fish.
Yeah.
Now, would that be above average or average?
That's a little above average. Okay. We're gonna be very gentle with him. He's in good shape. The water's very cool. I can feel him on my hand here. He's gonna take off. So lovely specimen, male brook trout.
Beautiful. Now today, there was a need for 8-weight rods, and I thought that might be a little bit heavy, but I was sure surprised because of the size of the fish. We definitely needed them. Another need that I had was that of a large arbor reel. Reason being, I had 2 fish run directly at me, and I had to wind in as fast as I could, and a large arbor allows you a faster line retrieve than you would with the old spindle type. So a large arbor reel is definitely what you need. Now today we had to go with sinking tip lines to get the fly down quickly. The current is very fast out there, so you must get it down as fast as you can. And I was using a type 3 type of sinking tip, which means it sinks between 6 to 8 inches per second. Now the line that I have on here is called a quad line, and it has 4 different tips that you can attach onto it. So it's very convenient. And in the packet that it's got the 4 tips, you get all these different lines to choose from, and you can face any fishing conditions that you want. So the one that I wanted was a type 3 sinking tip.
For targeting the trophy brook trout, I recommend a minimum 8 weight. Whatever you're comfortable with, steelhead fishing is probably the perfect match for the brook trout, rod and reel size. Lines tend to differ a little bit, but I would, for the beginner, a minimum 8 weight just to handle these. For the experienced fly fisherman that wants a real good fight experience, a 7 weight can be used, but below that you're just you're going to be wrestling with these fish and probably not winning.
Yeah. Randy called it. He says, we're going to take a fish at this corner. And what we're shooting at is these points where the current breaks across them.
Yeah, the little food channels.
Yeah, little food channels. I can just see them. Bammo. Now. Ready? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. I still got him.
I don't like chasing them with
We didn't touch him. He's going to be coming up in a second here. I'll get him in. And we got him. And this is a good fish again.
Oh, that's a hog.
That is just incredible. I love brook trout, and this is the best brook trout fishing I've ever had.
Shorter, blunter head. And, you know, very, very pretty fish. A little dark, still colored up from the fall, probably. And probably a little older fish. So. And away she goes.
She goes. Beauty.